Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You have the card and account ready. Now begin. First, sign into the platform where the card applies and open the redeem or payment settings. If you have a physical card, scratch the foil to reveal the code. If it came by email, copy the code exactly. Make sure your account matches the card type. Gift cards often bind to region or account type, so select the correct store or service before you submit the code. Once you're at the redemption screen, paste or type the code slowly and double-check characters to avoid common mistakes. Then select whether to add the balance to your account wallet or use it immediately at checkout, because some platforms treat them differently. After you submit, look for an on-screen success message and an email or SMS confirmation. If the platform asks for billing info, enter it but choose the gift balance as primary payment. Finish by applying the new balance to your purchase or verifying the wallet shows the correct amount, then complete checkout as usual. If the code is rejected, first confirm you entered it exactly and that the card matches your account region and hasn't expired. Next, check that it hasn't been partially used. If problems persist, contact customer support with the full code, proof of purchase, and screenshots. They can trace redemptions and restore your funds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.